Hi, I'm Liz, and I want to take a moment to thank you for using Lotus Media for your listing content. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to download your media, use a shareable link for your gallery and other media, use marketing material, and use an amazing referral code that helps you save money and whoever you send it to as well. All right, so let's get right into it. You just received your email from Lotus Media, and you're going to be able to download your media and all of your content right from here. Click on view and download your media. Once you're here, there is so much you can do. You can view your gallery, share the link for others to see your gallery, or use a QR code. Down here are all your assets. You have all of your photos, which you can click on select all and download, and this is how you're going to get those photos onto the MLS. Let's say there are more pictures than you like to post on the MLS, or we did some decluttering, so you have the before picture and the after picture. You can easily deselect by clicking on the check mark the ones that you do not want to download. This is going to make it much easier once you download the pictures you actually want to get them up to the MLS or anywhere else you're going to be using these photos. You can also look at any videos you may have ordered on here as well. If it's on YouTube, it's only going to allow you to copy the link for YouTube. If it's an actual video, then you're going to be able to download the video and use it as you like. 3D tours will also be on here, and you can view them or share the link with anybody that you like. Floor plan is also on here and it's downloadable. And voila, we are in our next section, the marketing content. Here, there's also so much that you can do. You have flyers, Instagram, social media, reel covers. There's just so much. I'm going to quickly choose a social media reel cover and we're going to get right into it. So if you do not like the photos that have been automatically selected for you, you can simply click on the photo and select on the left-hand side which photo you'd like for it to be replaced. And in a matter of seconds, you have a beautiful story cover. You can edit the address here if needed. You can write anything you like down here as well. And all of your personal information from your profile will be shown here as well. And once you're done, you can just download your asset. And now for another amazing feature on this website. You have this amazing thing called a referral program. And with this referral program, you are going to receive $75 off of your next order, and the person who you refer will receive $50. Simply click on the referral program, and there's going to be this code that belongs only to you, and you can copy it and share it. But the best way to share this referral code is by clicking on text message. If you have an Apple or Mac like I do, it's going to immediately open that text message option, and you can click who you're sending it to, and they're going to receive a link that guides them directly to the order form. Now, once they place the order through this link, it's going to automatically deposit a credit of $75 into your account and discount $50 off of their new order. You also have the share option. By clicking here, you can email this link, send it through WhatsApp, again, message, or even just copy the link. Another way is to click on share options and copy the link. All of this is available to you on your mobile phone, so you can go ahead and do this and send it right from your phone, copy the link, text message it, send it through WhatsApp, whatever is easiest for you.